Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to all my new viewers. Today's video is just a quick and calm clean with me, nothing huge. I have recently just gone back to work, so I've just been enjoying being back at work and just everything that comes with that. But today I really wanted to upload a quick clean with me, very calm. I hope this motivates you to kind of take a step back from the hustle and bustle and seeing cleaning as a chore and just kind of slowing down, pacing yourself, enjoying making the bed, mopping the floors, not seeing it as a chore but as a act of this is what I get to do. And I hope that this is a video you guys come back to when you guys just want a nice and calm clean with me. So enjoy.
If I cry alone when I am with you, will you forgive me if I do? If I cry when I'm blue.
So who noticed the new bedding? Yes, I got some new bedding. The white bedding actually had a hole in it from my dog. It was a super thin bedding and it just ripped too easily. So I thought I would go pretty girly with the gray and pink. And then I'm putting these black pillows that I had with the white bedding behind the pillows. I still like that setup, but do you guys like the black, or should I go with like a gray or a white? Leave me a comment down below. But I am loving this new bedding. As you can see, it's another damask style bedding. I love a damask pattern, and I'm just putting a throw blanket on that I think complements the colors.
If I'm only seeing things in black and white, will you forgive me tonight? If I'm wrong and you're right, through wind and through rain, through trouble and pain, if ever my heart strained, will you pull me through like you always do when I am calling your name? Through wind and through rain, through trouble and pain, if ever my heart strained, will you pull me through like you always do when I am calling your name? When I am calling your name. If I'm lost along the way, if you find me in a state of disarray, will you hold on?
I think the hardest thing about the bathroom for me is all the dog hair. The dog hair just likes to stick to the counter even when I clean it almost on a daily basis. So I find that taking a paper product instead of a rag really helps get rid of all that dog hair, in case you wanted a little tip. hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave it a thumbs up if you did, and share it with a friend who you think might need it. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye!